Welcome. Let us begin. Self-control is strength. Right thought is mastery. Calmness is power. Do what you will, even if you tear yourself apart. Most people will continue doing the same things. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. To be stoic is not to be emotionless, but to remain unaffected by your emotions. Too many people believe that everything must be pleasurable in life. A rational person can find peace by cultivating indifference to things outside of their control. Be a master of the mind, not mastered by the mind. Failure and deprivation are the best educators and purifiers. If it's endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining. The willing are led by fate, the reluctant dragged. Success is based off your willingness to work your ass off, no matter what obstacles are in your way. Be stoic, just do the right thing, just keep going. The mind that is anxious about future events is miserable. The art of being wise is the art of knowing what to overlook. The great law of nature is that it never stops, there is no end. Thank you for your time. Stay strong.